Okay, it's time for lunch break and you might consider placing your lunch orders in the Swiggy app. Let me tell you, Swiggy's IPO is out for delivery. Swiggy has filed their prospectus with the SEBI confidentially and they are planning to raise $1.2 billion, wherein $800 million will be offer for sale and $400 million will be a fresh issue. Excited, right? Yes, of course. There are reasons for that. But let me tell you some of the key points before you consider investing or putting your money in the IPO. Let's talk about the first concern here, profitability. Zomato, its rival, has reported profit for back-to-back 4 quarters and their current profit went up to $20 billion. And Swiggy has been incurring losses. Talking about the e-commerce platform, Zomato's e-commerce platform, which is Blinkit, has currently reported profit. The current standalone valuation of Blinkit is $13 billion, which is even higher than its food delivery business. Now let's come to Swiggy's Instamart. It's incurring losses. And of course, the reasons for that. Their focus is very limited. Their focus is on delivering groceries and food only, which is a low margin business. Let's come to Zomato's Blinkit. It's delivering food, groceries, stationery items, home appliances, gold, and even prints. They're even delivering everything at your doorstep. Thanks to DP's innovative mind. The second reason is with respect to its high-end saucy valuations. Invesco Capital in the last funding round had raised the valuation of the company to the extent of $12.7 billion and increment to the extent of 20%. Now the management doesn't believe so, and that is why they are planning to raise 750 crores ahead of IPO. And guess what? It would be at discounted valuations. Discount to the extent of 20% or even steeper. So clearly there is a conflict between the management and the investors with respect to the valuation. Now here's a catch. Process Capital, which holds around 33% of stake in the company, they are planning to offload a major stake in the IPO, and yet they believe that the valuation of the company to the extent of $12.7 billion is justifiable. And yet they want to offload their stake, their major stake in fact. So of course, it is understandable that they want to make major listing gains from this. Let's come to the third reason. When Swiggy has acquired Dine Out and they are planning to launch Swiggy Dine Out Great Indian Restaurant Festival, where they have invited 7,000 eateries. This will be giving a tough competition to Zomaland. Zomaland, which is a combination of dining and entertainment experiences across multiple Indian cities. While they are planning to give a tough competition to Zomaland, their vision of entering into the B2B segment, wherein they would be catering to the kitchen and restaurant directly, still remains a vision, because Zomato's Hyperpure clearly has the first mover advantage to this as well. Zomato's stock prices surged to the extent of 260% in one last year. So for those of you who feel that they have missed the rally, will you be able to make it up with listing gains by investing in Swiggy IPO? And if yes, do you feel that after getting listed, Swiggy will be able to stand against Zomato? Let me know in the comment section.